Hey guys, it's Taylor. Thank you for coming and joining my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm going to do a quick tutorial over this look. It is very fall inspired. I'm in love with fall, and it is a very simple one color smoky eye. I mean, you can't get any better than that. There's not the multiple colors, the mixing, the blending. It's really just blending that one color to get the type of richness or payoff that you want. And I'm going to sort of talk you through that. So continue to watch. Okay, so I'm going to grab my brush where I'm going to grab the pigment and also blend out with for the first and only color. And I'm going to be using the 350M palette because I want a really good deep rich brown, and they have the best browns in this palette. I'm going for this shade since they don't name the colors, and that's going to be the only color we're going to use. I already primed my eye with my normal concealer mix, and I push that into the skin and put a translucent powder over it to make it all one even level. I am going to blend that a little bit more, but I want to take some of this pigment to the other side. Since it's very pigmented and I don't really want the full range of blending to be that fully pigmented, I'm going to go to a different blending brush that doesn't have all of that product on it, so I can really blend it out into the nude. So to see how that just changed how deep that line was, and it's really just blended out now. It really doesn't take much to have a great smoky eye. It just takes a good amount of blending. Now that it's blended out, I am going to go back and add a little bit more of that pigment because I do want it a little richer. This is a very dark chocolate type of brown, and it's very pretty. Basically, just repeat these steps until you are happy with how it looks. If you feel like it's rich enough, if you want it deeper, if you want it to actually just stay light and airy, it's completely up to you at this point. Okay, I think we are evenly blended. So now I'm going to clean up, add my liner and lashes. I am going to use the NYX Liquid Matte Liner. So because the eye's really basic, I went ahead and threw on a liner, a wing liner, which I have a love-hate relationship with. I mean, they're always cool to me. I've never really felt the need to always have one, but I do throw them on occasionally. So I do think they accentuate the almond shape of my eye, so I like it for that reason. I'm going to put on mascara before I put on my falsies. While we wait for those to dry, this time it's just water, guys. I promise. And we can move on. I'll actually go ahead and put my lashes on and complete my face. I'll come back to you to complete the lip, and that will be our final step for the, well, I have actually a couple more things to do to the eyes, and then we'll finish out the look that way. Thanks. Be right back. Okay, so let's wrap up the eye look, and then we'll do our lips and spray and add the highlight for the final touches. Let me go ahead and grab that same color of eyeshadow we were using on the lid and for the whole eye look. I'm going to put a little under the eye and then add my mascara and liner to the bottom. Since there's a lot of fallout and I just dusted off my baking powder, which would usually catch that for me, so I don't know why I did that, but I have to be pretty careful so it doesn't get all over my foundation. Before I add the liner and mascara, I'm going to put a little inner corner highlight because I'm just obsessed with it and I can't live my life without it, okay? So don't judge me. I was going to try to do an all matte look, which I can sometimes pull off because it is cute. All matte is still cute, but I really just love highlight and sheen. I really do. I'm not so much about the glitter. Like, I can handle the glitter. I do the glitter, but it's something about that nice sheen finish that I like the most. So I'm going to use the highlight I'm going to use later is out of the Glow palette from Tarte. I'm going to use Lit. Just feel like it adds so much dimension. I could be dramatic, but oh well. Alright, now I have it all there and glowing together. Glowing, blended together. Let's do our bottom lash trick and mascara. Actually, mascara won't be until after I spray my face. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the lips so I can spray my face and then do the mascara and highlight. Alright, so I finished my bottom shadow, added the liner trick. Now I'm adding the highlight to my face using Fire out of the Glow palette. I lined my lips before spraying, but I did not put on the lipstick just in case because I didn't want the matte lipstick to be like watery. I'm going to use Mamacita from ColourPop, the collab with I Love T.R.U. I love it. I'm obsessed with fall and it's the perfect fall color. It's also my favorite fall color, well, one of them, and it's like a very rich oxblood, which is like turns me on. So I got a little carried away with the highlight per usual. Looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. Alright, so let's add the lip. Alright guys, that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this very simple one-step, one color smoky eye. If you get a palette, just imagine all of the possibilities you can really do with one color per look. So just be creative, be resourceful. If you have any other questions or any other videos you would like me to do, leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate it. Let me know how I'm doing. I'm trying my best to get better at this. And I will see you next time. Bye. There's something in my eyeball and it won't come out.